Hey guys, so this is Thursday, October the 20. Why is that one there? Okay, there it goes. This is October the 29th, your lesson, and today we're going to be doing a close read and you're going to be answering Chapter 2 Big Question. So, the close read, all I need you to do is reread To a Manner Born, or you can even listen to it. I prefer that you read it though. And then you're going to be answering some questions. There are 10 questions, and they all require you to write a complete sentence to answer it. So, like number one says, look at the sentence. If you lived during the Middle Ages, your life followed one of a few set paths. The word path has a few different meanings. A path is an actual track of ground in which people or animals can walk. As it is used in this sentence, however, it does not actually mean a track on the ground. What does the word path, how is the word path used in this sentence? Basically, when they say path, what do they mean? And I don't care. You could look it up in the dictionary and look up that meaning. See how many meanings there are and which one matches the sentence. Number two, what words or phrases provide clues to the meaning of privileged? What did they have or were able to do that others couldn't? That's a clue. What were some words and phrases? Now, remember, you can skim through it when you're answering these questions and find out where it talked about them being privileged. Number three, what does the word controlled mean in the sentence? The Lord also controlled the lives of most of the people who worked for him. What does the word control mean in that sentence? Like I said, you can use a dictionary. Number four, how are the lives of the lords and serfs different from one another in the Middle Ages? Just give me a very straight and concise answer on that one, okay? How are they different? So, based on the following sentence, what does the phrase "if crops fail" mean? If crops fail or illness struck, people during the Middle Ages struggled to survive. What did the author mean if crops fail? Just think about it, okay? Okay, in the above sentence, which part of the sentence gives you a clue about the meaning of the phrase crops fail? Number 7, in paragraph 3 on page 13, the author describes the structure of society in the Middle Ages. How was the medieval society structured? Basically, tell me about their social class system. What were they? Number 8, why was society structured this way? Number 9, what did working a full day mean for a boy serf? And what does it mean to have a good harvest? Now, if you reread and if you use your text, it may take you a little bit of time, but you can answer all these questions. Now, the next thing that you're going to do, and I'll pull it up so you can see it just to make sure that we are on the same wavelength here if it pops up. For some reason, my computer's much slower when I'm running the program that I have to record the screen. You love technology, but then sometimes you can't stand it. Okay, so the big two question, and you are required to write a paragraph for me. Remember, a paragraph has 5 to 7 good sentences, not choppy or anything else. So, chapter 2, big question for you today is, how are the lives of serfs and lords different from one another? That kind of sounds familiar to another question I just asked a few minutes ago. So, how are the lives of the serfs and lords different from one another? I need 5 to 7 sentences answering this question. Now, your answer should include examples from the text. Those can actually count almost as sentences, and paraphrases can count as part of your sentence. So use them. But I don't want a whole paragraph just of this text. I need your own words. I tried it. Didn't get away with it. I'm not going to let you get away with it either. So that is your Thursday ELA notes and your practice and problem solving. No, your practice and skill. I'm looking at math too. Your practice and skill will be up in a minute.